Now I'm going to peel away the skin from the sweet potatoes. They are now almost cool enough for me to handle without feeling any warmth. Once I peel away the skin using a spoon, if you want to use a knife, whatever is conducive for you. I have a bag here that I'm just going to place the skin in, and then I'm going to put the potatoes back into this clean bowl. Okay guys, I have placed the sweet potatoes into a bowl. This next step is the most tedious step while about making these pies. Sweet potatoes tend to have strings, and the best method that I found to remove these strings is to use your beaters. I don't know if I can find one there, but it's to use your beaters or your mixer and continue to whip your sweet potatoes until little or no strings are shown. The best way to do it for me is to just whip it, rinse off the beaters, and go back and continue to whip the sweet potatoes until there's little or no strings in your sweet potatoes. Okay, I don't know if it's going to focus, but there are some strings. So I'm just going to rinse off these beaters, and we're going to keep moving on. Okay guys, I actually had to mix these sweet potatoes about 8 times. As you can see, there are no long strings hanging out. There's a couple, but they're not as long as they were when I first started. And so I'm pretty much satisfied with the mixing, and these are the strings, guys, that I was talking about. This is what's in the pie that you don't want to eat. Okay, moving on. Okay guys, now I'm going to be adding the brown sugar, white sugar, sweetened condensed milk, and the heavy cream. Mix all of it together until it's well incorporated. I tasted the filling, and according to my taste buds, I need to add like another cup of brown sugar. This is something that I would suggest, guys. I like to taste my filling before I add the eggs. I don't like the taste of raw eggs. So as you go along, if you don't mind tasting raw eggs, you can add your eggs now, but I don't. So I'm going to add another cup of brown sugar and give this a mix and keep it moving. Now I'm going to add the flavorings. 1 teaspoon of butter flavoring, half a teaspoon of lemon extract, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of the vanilla, half a teaspoon or to taste of the ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Now that the sweet potato filling is to my liking, I am now going to finish off by adding the eggs and then the butter. Pour the filling into the pie shells. Bake on 350 between 45 minutes to an hour. Take them out, let them set, and these sweet potato pies will be done.